Before beginning your repair, shut off the water supply and unplug the appliance. Press on the gray tab and pull up on the fitting to remove. Use a 7/16 inch and a 1/2 inch wrench to loosen the nut and remove fitting. Remove brass insert, ferrule, and nut from tubing. Place the nut on the tubing first, then the ferrule, then the brass insert. Place the fitting on the tube, then thread the nut to the fitting. Securely fasten the nut with the wrenches. Press the fitting onto the port until you see it click into place.